Have you ever wondered if happiness is just a nice to have or if it's actually the key to success? Well, today I'm here to tell you that happiness isn't just an emotion, it's a strategy that can transform your business and your life. Hi, I'm Angie Dobransky, your partner for Radical Success. In today's video, we'll explore how cultivating happiness can lead to better performance, stronger teams, and even greater success in your business. And it's easier than you might think. Stick around until the end because I'll be sharing 3 simple steps you can take right now to practice happiness and turn it into a business advantage. So let's start by busting a common myth. Many people believe that happiness is out of their control, that it's tied to their DNA, or that they'll be happy once they achieve success. But the truth is, happiness isn't something we find after we succeed. It's something we choose, and it actually leads to success. Research shows that happiness increases productivity, creativity, and performance. When we practice positivity, every measure of success improves. Happiness is like a muscle. The more we use it, the stronger it gets. And of course, that doesn't mean that happiness comes easily. We all face challenges, whether they're related to work, health, or life in general. But the way we respond to those challenges makes all the difference. When we practice happiness, we train our brains and our bodies to respond positively. This doesn't mean that we never feel sad or frustrated, but it does mean we bounce back more quickly and maintain a positive perspective. It's about finding the silver lining and using it to propel us forward. So now let's talk about how you can start practicing happiness today. Here are 3 simple steps. Number 1, choose happiness consciously. Every event is an opportunity to see the positive. The hotel room wasn't what you expected? Well, maybe the view is beautiful. By choosing to see the good, you take control of your emotions. Number 2, practice positive habits. Introduce small habits like gratitude, journaling, meditation, and exercise. These activities shift your mindset and increase happiness over time. Number 3, enjoy the journey. Success is a moving target, so don't focus too much on the destination. Find joy in every step of the process and live in the moment. When you appreciate the present, the future looks even brighter. And now let's apply this to business. When you practice positivity in your work environment, it becomes contagious. Happy workplaces attract top talent, create loyal customers, and foster business growth. And I've seen this firsthand. From my early days in retail, where greeting every customer with a smile made a huge difference in the energy of the store, to working with clients today who thrive on positive workplace cultures. Coming up, I'll share one last tip to help you bring more happiness into your daily life and business. So here's an easy action step for you. Reflect on a recent moment that stressed you out or made you feel negative. Write it down. Now, next to it, jot down a positive perspective or lesson you can take from that situation. Maybe it's a challenging client, and could the lesson be improving your communication skills? Turn that lesson into a proactive goal for the next month. And this is how you start turning happiness into action. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one habit you can introduce into your daily life to practice happiness? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're ready to bring more positivity into your business, visit my website at radstrategic.com for more tips and insights. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, happiness is a choice and a practice, and it's a powerful tool for success. So join us next week for more tips to achieve radical success. I'm Angie Dobransky, and I can't wait to see you next time.